Welcome to Research Hub. Are you tired of spending hours designing and formatting presentation? Do you wish you had a magic wand that could transform your idea into stunning slides effortlessly? Your wish has come true. Look no further, I have got the perfect solution for you. Today in this video, we are going to introduce you to the game-changer free AI tool in the world of presentation that will revolutionize the way create presentation. We'll also show you a hand-on demo where we will create a real-time presentation using this tool itself. But before we begin with that, I would like to request you guys to enable both the subscribe button and bell icon for Research Hub YouTube channel, so that you won't miss out on multiple updates like this coming from our channel. If you are a college or university student, presentation is really an important skill around the time of semester end. You will mostly find yourself doing presentation for your projects to highlight research finding or even while pitching idea. Okay, going to main point. So, first you need to open search engine, like Google Chrome, then write gamma.ai. Now, click on his first website, that is Gamma. It will take us to the dashboard of Gamma. Okay, now, click on this Create New AI tab. And then click on second option, that is Generate. Now describe what would you like to make, write your question, like, for example, I want presentation on impact of social media on youth, so this is my prompt. Just click on Generate Outline. It will start generating outline for you. So, you can see that it has generated the outline. Just click on the Continue. Here it is asking for the templates. And you can select any template of your choice. For my presentation Gamma A, I suggested this template. So if you like this, just click on the Generate and I will add text as well as the modern template to your presentation automatically. You can see that it is preparing our presentation on the impact of social media on youth. Now you can see the Gamma has been done with our presentation, so now click on Share option, go to the Export option and choose the Export to PowerPoint. Wait for a few seconds, our presentation has been exporting to the PowerPoint. Now our presentation is ready to use. Now hear the important question. Whether these presentation or any other services are free or not. If they have free credits available, so these presentation and other services are totally free. Otherwise they will have to subscribe or pay some amount to Gamma. Now how can we get free credits? Click on this Credit tab here. If we click this option that we see that if we send a referral code to friend, we can get free credit. Click on this Refer to Friend. Here we will get a unique referral link. Copy this link and send to your friend and family. If they sign up, so in this way we can use the services of Gamma totally free. Thank you for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel.